Hi friends, I am Jeshita. Now I am showing about my friend gift. See that bag? It is so cute, and when we can carry something. This is pouch, and this is eraser, sharpener, pencils, and scale. For our school, we can carry.